Hi, today I'm for the XIAOMI Redmi Pad and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So first we should hold for a while our device home screen with the finger, and then here we'll see the wallpapers icon. Click here on the icon, and after that we can select our new wallpaper from our photos local on our device previously taken on our device camera. Just click allow, agree, and we can find here all our screenshots, the photos previously downloaded from the internet, for example. Or now just let's go back to the default wallpapers. For example, let's use this one. Click on this wallpaper, click apply, and select set as lock screen. We can see that lock screen wallpaper applied successfully, so now let's just check it, and we can see that we just successfully changed our lock screen wallpaper. Also, we get one more way how we can do that. Just first we should open the settings application and then scroll down to wallpaper section. After that, select by the same way one from the available wallpapers. I'll use the download photo. Just then tap apply and set as lock screen. Lock screen wallpaper applied successfully, and as you can see, that's so simple. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.